What the fucking hell is that? Fucking hollering and hooting over there. What the hell is that, dude? Oh my god. What are they doing over there? Oh yeah, I own like all of this lawn. That's the neighbor's house. Just helping you're confused, and if you're confused. Dude. Who's making all of that noise? What the fuck? Kinda heard that hollering coming from this way, so I'm gonna check it out. Oh. It's just a neighbor kid. Well, that was a waste of time. Dude, I was like downloading this game today, and I checked the reviews, and it was bad. So, I deleted it because it sucked.